What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Anthony's 2002 Subaru WRX. The reason it's in today is because we were dealing with a boost issue. It wasn't building boost until maybe 4,500 RPM, slowly start from like 5, then only top out at 15 PSI. The car is tuned on 27 pounds of boost, so something isn't right. So we have his intake manifold apart, his turbo inlet apart. One of the issues that we determined out of two, the turbo inlet and clamp was not tightened properly and the clamp was broken. Just in general, this was cut shorter from the previous owner. So we got a new used turbo inlet just to get the job done, make sure everything's solid on it, on the car, and make sure it hits boost properly. Another issue that we figured is he had old TGV gaskets. These are the newer ones that we're gonna put on here. They're Felpro. So originally the TGVs were having a boost leak also from here. You can see some gasket maker. So we determined, since this is already falling apart and nasty and oily, we definitely most likely found the issue. So as we get started on it, stay tuned, and at the end of this we should have an answer on what happens. Alright, so now we're going to blow out the TGVs, blow out any excess gasket maker that needs to be blown out, make sure his injectors are still clean, nice and perfect, and after that, back to assembly, install everything, and test drive. Alright guys, we are in the BUGEYE, and it is super early in the morning. We are on the first test drive. We got everything together. So far, so good. We got heat, so we know the cooling system is bled properly. So let's see if this thing hits boost. Typical Subaru. We have progress, but we're still having an issue somewhere. They could rely within either one, his wastegate, or the wastegate solenoid, the boost controller. So stay tuned on later today in the afternoon, evening time, we'll figure out between those two parts. So first thing, obviously, the easiest thing, the boost controller, it's right there. Simple, 3 hoses. After that, that's gonna kind of tell us whether if it's the wastegate failing on the car. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back. So it is the following day. The last video of us doing the small pull, we did get about 2 more pounds of PSI out of things that we did. 17 PSI. But we're supposed to be hitting 27. So there's only 2 suspected things. There's no leaks on the intercooler or intake manifold. So we're gonna start on this, the boost control solenoid. We're gonna replace his old one, put this one in there just for testing purposes, and see if that fixes this issue. Another culprit could be his external wastegate, but we're gonna leave that for last if that's the case. Just stay tuned as we put this boost controller on. Alright guys, we are on the test drive and we're going to see if this boost controller made any difference. Cross our fingers.
fucking did. It for sure
Made a
did.
difference for sure. Alright, so
Oh, STI. STI.
now we are. They didn't even say nothing to us.
Yeah, my turn. Let me do this.
Alright.
Let me try.
Oh, one more pour. We can't do first gear launch though.
Yes, please. No first gear launches.
Not in this thing. And then.
Gas station.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Yeah, we're back in the shop. We got the new part on. And I can say one thing. The goal has been met. We got the new parts on, everything seems to be good. We took it for a test ride. It's full boost. What do you think, Wonton?
I don't know. You tell me.
You seen the video. Videos don't lie. So take a look at the footage.